Humans have never left the Milky Way, so how can we possibly know Earth's specific location within it? Whenever night falls, we look up at the starry sky and often see a long band of light stretching across it. This light band is what people call the Milky Way. Scientists tell us that the Milky Way is a giant spiral galaxy containing hundreds of billions of stars. The Sun is just one of them. Our Earth and the Sun, together, are located on one of the Milky Way's spiral arms, the Orion Arm. As early as the late 18th century, a famous astronomer named William Herschel began humanity's journey into exploring the structure of our galaxy. He used the limited observation tools of his time to diligently count the stars in the night sky. After countless nights of observation, Herschel boldly proposed that the Milky Way is a giant disk-like structure, and Earth is located in its central region. This groundbreaking theory caused quite a stir at the time and gave humanity a preliminary framework for imagining their place in the cosmic environment. However, due to the extremely primitive observation conditions of that era, people's understanding of the concept of galaxies was still quite vague. They even mistakenly equated the Milky Way with the entire universe. What astronomers didn't know was that beyond the Milky Way, there are countless other galaxies and an even vaster, boundless cosmic space waiting to be discovered. Entering the 20th century, another key figure emerged in the field of astronomy. The astronomer Herschel Shapley. Shapley turned his attention to the mysterious globular clusters in the sky. These clusters are composed of thousands, even hundreds of thousands of stars. By meticulously observing the distribution of their positions, Shapley was surprised to find that these globular clusters were all orbiting around a central point. Based on this, Shapley's groundbreaking research on globular clusters and Kepler variable stars proposed that the central region of the Milky Way must be in the direction of the constellation Sagittarius. The solar system is not at the core of the Milky Way, but is located in a relatively remote region. This theory fundamentally changed our perception of the Milky Way's structure. From that point on, humanity's understanding of the galactic structure took a huge leap forward. Our understanding went from a vague disk concept to a star system structure with a central direction and a distinction between inner and outer regions. But the specific, precise location of Earth in the Milky Way remained as mysterious as a lighthouse in the fog, awaiting further exploration and research. It wasn't until 2013, when the European Space Agency launched a satellite named Gaia, that a decisive turning point came in unraveling the mystery of Earth's unknown location. After the satellite was launched, it began a non-stop, all-round observation of the billions of stars in the Milky Way, accurately recording their positions, distances, and key information such as their motion status. After obtaining this massive and precious data, astronomers, with the help of powerful computer processing capabilities, constructed the most comprehensive and exquisite 3D model of the Milky Way to date. More importantly, through an in-depth analysis of the model, scientists finally precisely pinpointed Earth's specific location in the Milky Way. It turns out that our Earth is located on a spiral arm of the Milky Way, about 26,000 light-years away from the galactic center. With this precise coordinate confirmed, our understanding of humanity's place in the universe reached a whole new level. Scientists have also calculated the mysterious tapestry of the solar system's movement. It turns out that the solar system, moving at a speed of 220 kilometers per second, leads the 8 planets in a motion around the galactic center. At this speed, it takes the solar system about 250 million years to complete a full revolution around the galactic core. This discovery makes us deeply aware that Earth is not static in the universe, but is in the midst of a vast and long interstellar journey, constantly traveling through the immense space of the Milky Way. And the Milky Way itself is moving at a speed of 600 kilometers per second, moving towards a mysterious giant gravitational source. When we look back at this magnificent journey of exploration, we will find that from Herschel's initial conception of galaxies to Shapley's key breakthrough, and then to Gaia's precise positioning, each step is filled with humanity's thirst for the unknown and their relentless pursuit. This is not just a cumulative and progressive process of astronomical knowledge. It is also a splendid performance of human wisdom and courage on the stage of cosmic exploration. Now, although we already know Earth's location in the Milky Way, the mysteries of the universe are endless. There are many more unknowns waiting for scientists to explore and discover. Perhaps in the not-too-distant future, a new, all-encompassing, and in-depth journey of cosmic exploration is about to begin.